In this guide, we will explore the 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron fuse box diagram and its location. Have you ever wondered where to find the fuse box in your Audi Q8 e-tron? Do you need assistance in identifying the fuses for specific electrical components? Front compartment fuse box. The front compartment fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron houses fuses for various electrical systems, including the engine and lighting. It is designed for easy access and provides protection for key vehicle components. Front passenger footwell. The front passenger footwell fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron contains fuses for interior components such as climate control and infotainment systems. It is conveniently positioned for easy access to maintain or replace fuses as needed. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron is designed to protect electrical systems related to the trunk, such as lighting and power outlets. It houses fuses that safeguard the rear electrical components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.